Subscribe. Oh, that was so cute. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a part 2 to styling curly mixed kid hair. So I have my daughter here again. If you guys missed part 1, I will link it in the video, also in the description box. So I'm not gonna go in depth with everything with her hair and all that stuff because I did cover it in previous videos, so I'll link them in the description box if you guys wanna check that out. The only thing I put on her hair is just water. Today I used Olive Miracle by African Pride moisturizer lotion, and that's it. Now look at the wall. You thirsty? You thirsty? And then get your juice. Look. Cheese. Here you go. Cheese. Alright, come on. No. Daddy's getting you a juice.
You go.
Yeah. Done. I want it.
want to keep filming? You gotta sit still then. I can keep filming. You want to keep filming?
I want this.
Okay, so if you guys like that video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Check the description box to see all previous videos.
Bye.
I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.